Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Rishi Academy. In this video, I want to discuss dynamically changing text, dynamically changing attribute value. In DHTML, it is possible to dynamically change the text and dynamically change the attribute value. So two topics I want to discuss here. First one, how can we change the text dynamically? Dynamically changing means after executing the program, we can interact with the HTML web page and we can change the text of the web page. How it is possible? DHTML allows the programmer or user to dynamically change the text of particular HTML element. How can you read the text of particular HTML element? It is possible with the help of the property called this dot inner HTML. This keyword refers to the current object. The object here is HTML element. It may be paragraph tag, it may be H1 tag, it may be body tag, it may be H2 tag, it may be strong tag, any HTML element. This means the current object, the current HTML element. Inner HTML allows us to read the element text. So by using this dot inner HTML, I can change the text of any HTML element dynamically, right? So in this case, I want to make use of on mouse over and on mouse out properties. On mouse over and on mouse out properties. These are the two actions, right? The user performs two actions here. The first action here is on mouse over. When the cursor is moved over the particular text, immediately this dot inner HTML will replaces the text of the current object with the programming with C and C++. When the cursor is moved out of the text, then immediately the text will be replaced with web technologies. In this case, in this video, I am making use of two properties on mouse over and on mouse out. Assume that there is a text H. This is the text. When I move the cursor over this, immediately this statement will be executed. This statement replaces this H with the programming with C and C++. When I move the cursor out of it, then this text programming with C and C++ will be replaced with web technologies. So in dynamically changing text, remember this dot inner HTML, this refers to the current object, the current HTML element. And I'm making use of two actions. One is on mouse over and on mouse out. Right? User performs an action by using mouse or keyboard. In response to that action, certain code will be executed. Right? In this case, the text of the HTML element will be replaced with other text. Right? This is dynamically changing the text of any HTML element. The second category, dynamically changing the attribute value. I want to dynamically change the attribute value. Look at this example. To change the attribute value dynamically, we make use of document object. This is the document object. It is the object of DOM, document object model. This is the document object model. It assumes every HTML element is an object. It allows the programmer to dynamically change attribute values, dynamically change the text, right? It allows us to dynamically change the text, dynamically change the attribute value. right? In this case, I'm making use of document object and its property bg color, right? So initially the background color of the any web page, background color of any web page is white. When I move the cursor over the HTML page, then this white color will be replaced with red color. When I move the cursor out of it, out of the window or out of the page, then the red color will be replaced with green color. Again, in this example also, I'm making use of two actions. One is on mouse over, another is on mouse out. And I'm making use of document object and its property. What is the property? BG color. In this case, I want to change the background color. I want to change the BG color attribute value. BG color is the property of document object. So to dynamically change the attribute value, I am making use of document object and its property. One of the properties BG color, right? Let's look at execution of these two dynamically changing text and dynamically changing attribute value. Look at this. First case, I want to dynamically change the property value. Yes. So this is the HTML program. Here I wrote a paragraph tag. In that I wrote first action. The first action here is on mouse over. First action on mouse over. This dot inner HTML equal to programming with C and C++. On mouse out this dot inner HTML equal to web technology. What is this here? This here is paragraph tag. This is current object, that is paragraph tag. What is the initial value of the default or initial value of the paragraph tag? The text will be changed when you move the mouse cursor over this text. Initially, this message will be displayed. When you move the cursor over this text, immediately the text will be replaced with programming with C and C++. When you move the cursor out of it, then programming with C and C++ will be replaced with web technology. Let's look at the output of this. Look at this. This is the output of the dynamically changing text. So I'm clicking on refresh button. Just move the cursor over the text. Here, programming with C and C++. Move the cursor out of it. So the text will be replaced with web technology. Once again, I repeat. So initial text is this one. The text will be changed when you move the mouse cursor over this text. Just move the cursor over this. What is the text now? Programming with C and C++. When I move the cursor out of it, then the text will be replaced with web technologies. This is dynamically changing text. So it is possible by using this dot inner HTML property, right? The second case, I want to show here dynamically changing attribute values. Look at the screen. So same thing I want to, same type of program here. The current object here is body. The current object here is body. So I'm making use of document object and its property BG color. I want to change the background color of the web page. Initially, the background color is white. So when you move the cursor over the web page, then the white color will be replaced with pink color. When you move the cursor out of it, the pink color will be replaced with yellow color. That is, when you move the cursor over the web page, immediately the pink color will be applied at the background. When you move the cursor out of it, immediately the yellow color will be applied to the background. Right? Here I am making use of document.bg color equal to pink. Here I'm making use of document.bg color equal to yellow. So two actions. What is the first action? On mouse over, and second action is on mouse out. Let's look at the output. Open the browser. Open the browser. Dynamically changing. Yes. Initially, the background color, look at the background color is white. Now I want to move the cursor over this. This is pink and this is yellow. Pink, yellow. This is dynamically changing the background color of the web page. So we are discussing about the background. So the property is busy color, which whose property? The document object property. How we are changing after executing the program, we are interacting with the web page. So we are changing the background color. This is called as dynamically changing attribute value. I think it is clear to each and everyone. I request each and everyone to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for each and everyone for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow in the sense next video. Bye everyone.